Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to backup PrusaSlicer settings. So open the PrusaSlicer, click File in the top menu bar and then go to the Export, hover over and right here click on Export Configuration right here. Now choose a safe folder on your computer. Here you can select everything that you want. Save. Uh, However, okay. And now you can change where you want to save it. Okay, save. Now, let's say if you want to save the custom print filament and printer profiles you created yourself, you can click here, File at the top left corner, hover over to the Export, and then click on Export Configuration Bundle. And yeah, you can restore this backup later with importing and import configuration bundle on your new computer, let's say. Now also what we have is the automatic cloud sync. If you already know, if you are logged in here, so you need to need to have an account here that you can sync with the cloud. And yeah, this is basically it. The quickest and simplest ways to save and do backups. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next